Hello, my dear students of grade 7. Today we are taking the fifth lecture of our English program. Today we are taking Unit 2, Exercise 1, page 17 in your course books. Remember, always pay mains page. The question says, look at the questions in the quiz on page 16. Find the words for. Number 1, which is given as an example, mother and father, which means parents. Number 2, your parents' parents. Number 3, your uncle's wife. Number 4, your aunt and uncle's children. Number 5, people from the same family. Number 6 and the last one, brothers and sisters of exactly the same age. Notice the difference between apostrophe S and S apostrophe. Apostrophe S shows that something belongs to one person or one thing. That means it's used with singular nouns. S apostrophe shows that something belongs to more than one person or thing, which means it's used with the plural nouns. What's your father's date of birth? Remember, look at father's apostrophe S, which means what's the date of birth of your father? Singular noun. What are your grandparents' first names? Look at grandparents, it's S apostrophe, which means what are the first names of your grandparents? A plural noun. Why is apostrophe before the S in the first sentence and after the S in the second sentence? Because in the first sentence the noun is singular, while in the second sentence the noun is a plural. The students' books are on the desk, singular. Student apostrophe S, which means one student. The students' books are on the desk, plural. Student S apostrophe, which means it's a plural noun. 2 students or even 1 million. It's not a big deal. It's a plural. This is the possessive S. Okay. We have exercise 3, page 17. Also in the course books. Put the apostrophes in the right position in the sentences. Number 1, my cousin's name is Su Wei. Number 2, my grandmother's name is Aisha. Number 3, when I was young, I lived very near my grandparents' house. Number 4, the twins' hair is not the same color as their father's hair. Number 5, my father's brothers live in Jakarta. Number 6 and the last one says, I enjoy finding out about other people's family histories. Homework. In your workbooks, exercise 2, page 10. Use words from A and B to complete the sentences. A. Date, family, full, grade, identical. B. Name grandparents, twins of birth, history. That means we take the first word from A and the second word from B. You will see in the examples which is done for you. Who do you think you are? Is a popular TV program which helps people to find out about their family history. We took family from A and history from B. 2. Although Matteo and Valentino are gap, I know who's who because Matteo is a bit taller. 3. My grandparents still live in the house which my gap built. 4. Paco Peña is a famous flamenco guitarist. His gap is Francisco Peña Perez. It's Peña, not Pena, because this is a Spanish word, a Spanish name. Number 5, I was born on the 25th of June 2003. What's your gap? We say 25th of. We don't read it as a 25th June. Yes, we do write it, but when we speak, we say it. We move to exercise 4, page 11. One word is missing in each sentence. Rewrite the sentences correctly. Number 1, which is given as an example, I've met most my cousins. I've met most of is missing here. My cousins. 2, how many cousins you got? 3, 2, my cousins live in Germany. 4, we have lot of fun when we see each other. 5, we are about same age. 6, where you born? This is a question. 6. Exercise 5, page 11. What are the missing verbs in each of these phrases? Write them in. Then put them in sentences. Make, get, to be used twice. Mate, be. Number 1, which is given as an example, to get together with the friends. Number 2, to gab, named after someone. 3, to gab, on very well with. 4, to gab, up with the friends. 5, to gab new friends. Please do not forget to put them in sentences. Exercise 6, page 11. Correct this email putting in the apostrophe, SOS apostrophe, where necessary. This is also in the workbook. Then we have the last homework, which is speaking. Kindly record your answers and send them as an audio file. Number 1, how many brothers and sisters have you got? Number 2, with whom do you get on well and why? Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this lecture. The homework should be submitted within 2 days. That means not tomorrow, after tomorrow. Thank you very much. That was Mr. Haidar Qasir with you.